Do you want to keep your dog safe and seen in the dark? Illumicine's LED dog collar is the solution. These bad boys come in all kinds of great colors and ensure your dog is clearly visible. Their secret is in the two illuminating strips that offer a perfectly bright light, like really, really bright. Which is great because the more visible your four-legged friend is to you and others, the safer they'll be. And you don't need to purchase these, or even these either. All of our collars are USB chargeable, with 4 hours of battery life. You can set the collar on static mode, or choose between 2 different flashing modes. And the easy-to-use buckle makes it incredibly simple to secure it around your dog's neck and go. Go and go. No sleazy gimmicks here. Just a lot of bright colors, happy customers, and adorably safe pups.
Oh no, not again! I just mopped that floor.
But messy paws aren't a problem for the Dirty Dog Doormat. Our doormats just love dirty dogs. Our mat uses an advanced microfiber technology that magically absorbs water, mud, and dirt, keeping your floors and house clean. Once the dog steps on the Dirty Dog Doormat, your problems have been solved. The mud and dirt is absorbed right into the mat, keeping the mess off your floor. We know dogs get dirty, but that doesn't mean our cars should too. Just place the mat over the car seats or lie it down in the cargo space and then let the mat go to work. Messy eater, the Dirty Dog Doormat is your perfect solution. Our mat traps water, kibble, even slobber. Unlike other doormats, the Dirty Dog Doormat can hold up to 7 times its weight in water and mud. Let's see what happens when we pour water on a regular doormat. As you can see, the water puddles up and doesn't absorb into the mat. The water quickly soaks through to the underside. Now look what happens when water is poured onto the Dirty Dog Doormat. Notice that the water is quickly absorbed and does not soak through to the underside. Dogs just love the super soft feel of the Dirty Dog Doormat. The soft microfiber strands make the perfect resting spot, while also protecting your furniture from unwanted hair, stains, dirt, and slobber. The Dirty Dog Doormat is perfect for pet crates too. As your dog lies in the crate, the mud and dirt are attracted to the mat like a magnet. The Dirty Dog Doormat is available in a variety of colors and sizes. From paw prints to footprints, the Dirty Dog Doormat is your best defense. Doggone Smart uses Repelz-It nanotechnology to repel dirt, stains, coat oil, and bacteria. Even unavoidable accidents rinse right off. Repelz-It uses nanotechnology and is state-of-the-art bacteriostatic to keep our pet products looking and smelling brand new. Take a look at the difference between regular fabrics and Doggone Smarts fabrics using Repelz-It technology. Even your dog's sticky messes are no match for Repelz-It. Watch how ketchup and honey rinse right off. Repelz-It technology is your best defense when it comes to doggy odor. Our bacteriostatic prevents the growth and spread of odor-causing bacteria, allergens, fungus, mold, and mildew. We all know that fleece dog beds never stay clean, but with Repelz-It technology, even red wine, coffee, dirt, and water rinse right off. Repelz-It is free of PFOA and PFOS, harmful carcinogens found in most other stay clean fabric finishes. Repelz-It technology is pet safe and environmentally friendly. Fabrics using Repelz-It are extremely durable and can last up to 50 washings. Wash your Doggone Smart bed once a month and the Repelz-It technology should last over 4 years. Repelz-It technology keeps pet fabrics looking and smelling clean, even after years of use. Dirt and stains, Repelz-It. Liquids, Repelz-It. Pet odors, Repelz-It. Bacteria, Repelz-It. Your dog's mess, Repelz-It. Mud, Repelz-It.